Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping up, was on an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Now it's coming back. I think today it's gonna be a tough day of trading, but on SPY and QQQ, 368 and 269 could probably be an important level to watch. If SPY and QQQ doesn't find support around this area, I think we may get some sell-off. So right now, no setups and no bias. I may have to wait until market open to see how the markets react and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 2 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I will talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Watching this level. I would like SPY to break below this level and continue down. Another key level around 365. A fake breakdown. Glad I did not get in. If it comes down again, I may look to add. Buyers stepped in, pushed the price higher. Not getting filled. Got in around 680. Not liking it. If it actually goes higher than this, I'm getting out. I have a tight stop loss. Getting out for now. $362 loser. I'll take it. I was anticipating a breakdown because it was the second retest. See how it is going against me. Now, why did I exit? My expectation going into the trade was a breakdown. And since it did not happen, I knew I was wrong and I had to get out. Now, if it breaks below this level, I'll be interested to the put side, else I'll stay away. Not looking good. To the call side. Big flush. finding support around the EMA. Can it go below it? Yep, coming down. 50% retraced. Can it continue? Definitely, I think this would have been a bull trap. Yep. Given back over 50% of this move. I like it now to the put side. The only thing missing is volume. I think it's taking a breather for a further flush. Trying to get in around 550. $580, I do have an order. Yep, I'm in. Volume is not coming in. No reason to panic now. Out of one contract. Out. Almost made up for my losses. That was a perfect trade. $880 I got in. That is not good. Selling one at 9. I had to cut it. Interested now. Upper wick. I got in again at 8. Selling 1 at 9. $980. Out. $50. I'll be happy with it. As soon as I saw resistance around this area, I knew it was like a fake breakout. That's why I got into the third trade. If I can make $50 every single day, I'll be super happy with it. Almost 9 central. No ideal setups. The only one is the breakdown of this level. It could be risky. It could be another choppy move. So I think it would be better to close the trading, conserve my profit. See how it just slammed. This is wonderful. Do we have a news or something? 875 average. Out. Not sure what happened. All of a sudden, a bigger flush with volume. Just when I thought I should wrap up my trading, this big flush happened. I had to jump in. That was a crazy move. Premium from $5 to $15. What happened? I'm not sure. On my last trade, I impulsively made the first add around $9. And then as it retraced to this level, I added again, bringing my average down because I knew the sell-off could continue for a while. Because it was a big red candle on massive volume, it paid off well. So I'll wrap it up. Now I'm not sure what caused the move. I was searching for news, did not find any catalyst for that move. So it could be a deceiving move. I would like to conserve my profits and go into the weekend green. So that would be it from me for today. A decent day of trading, making $225 in 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.